Hi everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome to my frugality channel, Skint Living UK. Cause of costs with plumbers and getting pet spot on stuffs, we're having a freezer week this week. So I've just bought a little tiny £10 top-up shop from Aldi. I ended up spending £10.98, but that's okay because I had some slummy in my purse as my purse emergency fund, and this is what I got. So I got a big pot of Greek style yoghurt. I love this for breakfast. I alternate it with porridge, and that was £1.49. I got a bag of wonky peppers. I love to eat them raw in a salad or mixed in with my dinners in some way, and they were £1.69. So there's 2, 4, 6, 7 peppers in there. Yum yum yum. I got a bag of bananas. There's 5 in there, and they were 17p. Please excuse my bruised thumb. I hit it with a hammer. I was fighting with my skirting board yesterday. I've installed the skirting boards in my living room now, and I've ordered some paint. Dulux satin wood quick dry paint in white, so I can paint all the skirting boards up. So I've got half the room finished, well, but all the room finished, but half the room, all the skirting boards I've installed need painting. And I need to put a little bit in the back room by my log burner, so I thought, right, I'll order a little bit of paint. I just got a little tin, 1.25 litres. It's not a big massive tin, so because it's just for little jobs that I need to do. Right, I'm rambling now. I got some spinach rather than salad, and that's 99p. That's lovely as a salad. I usually throw a big blob of mayo. I'll throw me wonky peppers in there. I've got some packets of beetroot from Home Bargain, so that'll go in my salad as well. So yummy, yummy, yummy. I got a big packet of cat sticks for my puskins, and the cat sticks were £1.19 for 10. I got a tub of pate for my dog. Only needed 1 tin because I've got a couple of tins of sardines for her there to go with the biscuits, so only needed 1 tub, and that was 59p. I got a tin of beans because it's always a handy thing to have stocked up in your pantry, and that's 27p. I got a big block of cheese, well, big for me, and that's 400 grams. I'm the only one who eats cheese now because my son's not that fussed really. So it was £2.49, and I got a little packet of bacon. I like smoked bacon. I know it's probably bad for you and it's got all kinds of chemicals in it and all the rest of it, but I like bacon, so I'm going to eat it because my freezer is full of chicken, and there's only so many times you can eat chicken because I feel like I'm clucking. So I've been eating a few vegetarian bits over the last few days because I just couldn't face the chicken. But at some point I'm going to have to eat it because we're eating up the freezer over the next week or 2. So the bacon is £1.49 for 300 grams or 10 slices, 10 rashers. So I'm happy I got meat, I got cheese, I got salady bits, I got some fruit, got pet stuff, and a lovely big pot of yoghurt. Yum 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 yum. So that's it for today. Hope to see you soon, and bye for now. And please, if you could, give us a thumbs up or a comment because that helps the YouTube algorithm know that I exist, because it doesn't seem to. Over 2 years doing this and the algorithm's like, meh. Bye for now.